Joshua, do you want that one? Look at how small the bunnies are. Hi guys.
Whoa, look at this one here.
That's what I said. Do you want it? Do you want it? Look how small the bunny is. You want chicken? You want chicken? Yeah? You sure?
How many?
What's up, buddy? Hi. Ah. You want one, Joshua? You want one? Let's see. There's a pig. You see it? There's a pig. Bro, you look mean.
Next time we go to New York, we'll take you. But you think
mala limpieza.
Aquí el hotel, la
Oh, sentekya moida.
We are back.
Alright guys, we got a new bird and we will be releasing that right now. How do they open this? This one open? No idea. Didn't suppose this open it. Oh, there's one. There's the little red. And there's the other one. Yeah. We got quite a few up there. There you go. And here are the friends. We also got a bunch of toys, and this is where they can take a shower. Too much water. And let's see, because I know they've been trying to hatch. Oh my god, potentium. They made a nest. Look. Look at it. It's okay, you guys. It's okay. We're just checking. see it? What is it in there?
There's nothing.
Nothing, no eggs? Not yet, but it looks like it will be soon. So, which is good. Alright, come on, get up. Be careful. Okay. Alright, that is it for now. They're hanging out over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.